Alright, welcome. So the purpose of this video is to educate you on how to run effective sponsored ads on Facebook and not on Instagram, because um running your ads on Facebook is more effective and it is more better than running your ads on Instagram directly. So running your ads on Instagram is just like you are boosting your post. You are giving Facebook free money, you get. But when you give them money, you expect something in return, like you expect sales, you expect inquiries and all of those things. But if you do from Instagram directly, or if you do on your Facebook page directly, you might not get the results you want. So this tutorial is to help you know how to run your ads on Facebook and how to target people who are going to buy from you. I mean, people who are your main target audience. So I've explained why you should use the Facebook Ads Manager and not Instagram Boost or Facebook Boost. So now let's kickstart how to know about your audience. Now you want to know who your audience are. So I'll be starting with audience insight. So you come to this ads manager where my cursor is. You click on ads manager and you look for audience insight. Audience insight. So found it. So this audience insight will actually explain to you who your audience are, where you can find them, what they are actually doing on Facebook and on Instagram. You might not actually see the Instagram part, but you have an idea of what they are doing on the Facebook app. So now, if you are going to check who your audience are, you cannot say you want to connect with people who are probably on your page if you don't have enough followers, you get. So we are going to start with everyone on Facebook, and when we do that, we will narrow it down to people in our location alone. So when I click on everyone on Facebook, then I'll come to this place to remove United States, because I want to narrow my audience down to people who are in Nigeria, you understand. So I'm going to be choosing Nigeria as my country. Nigeria. So I have it here. As you can see, the number of people using Facebook in Nigeria are 20 million to 25 million people. You can imagine, if you are not advertising, you can imagine losing these numbers, you get. So we are still narrowing it down to your own audience, you understand. So as we go on, you get to see who your audience are and their numbers here. So we'll move to their age or gender. Should, in case you have a specific age, maybe okay, your product or your service can only serve people from, let's say, 20 years old to let's say 50 years. You can choose whichever age you want actually, but let's just assume your audience that you are serving are from 20 years old to 50 years old, and let's say they are both gender, male and female. You can choose to change the gender to either men or women alone, whichever one you want. So now we can choose our to target our audience based on interest. So when I say interest, I'm trying to say, okay, what are my audience, what are they looking at on online, what are they looking for on Facebook, so to say. What is their interest when it is related to my own product or service. So now let's assume I sell wears, I sell ladies wears, and I want to sell to women oh sorry, I want to sell to both gender, men and women, then the age I'm targeting is age 20 to 50. So what could be the interest of those people? Okay, maybe we can say clothing, because I'm selling wears. We can say clothing. So when you write clothing as their interest, then you get to see what that interest says about the audience on Facebook. And you get to see other things that they do. So let's say I've selected clothing now. So now my new audience is 6 million to 7 million people. That means 6 million to 7 million people are interested in clothing on Facebook. So let's read their demographics. There are 52% women, 38% all Facebook, 48 men, 62% all Facebook. Can you see that? You can see their age range. You can see that. You can see that. You can see their age range. You can see that from 18 to 24 have 35%. From 25 to 34 is having 47% for women. So let's say if you are targeting, you might not want to pass the age 18 to 44, because these are really the age range that has the highest interest. So let's say the remaining 45 to 54 does not really have that much interest, so you might not want to target them because only few percentage of them are interested. So you can just probably stop your age this thing to 18 to 44. So the same thing for men. So you can see their demographics again in terms of relationship. You can see that 54% of them are single, 11% of them are in a relationship, 3% are engaged, and 32% are married. You can also see that 15 are in high school, 15%, 71% are in the university. So that means if you are targeting people who will buy your clothes, then you should be looking at people in the university, not high school so to say, married people, single people, and university graduates. Let's say postgraduates, 14%. They are not really much. So now we go to their job title. Their job title, 0.7% of them are into legal services like lawyer and all of those professions. Food and restaurant, 1% of them. Management is having 49%. You can see that. So you can just choose to maneuver around all of those metrics. So it is all of these things that will actually help you to know, okay, this is what I am targeting when I'm going to target for art. So now let's see the pages that these people liked. The pages they liked on Facebook. Now there is this page called Remy Martin. They like the page. So if you are going to target, then you might probably want to target Remy Martin. They like Maggie, they like Morning Fresh, they like Devon Kings, Mama Don Nigeria, Woman NG, and all of those. So you can even see the relevance. The relevance is what will help you to know, okay, which post has the highest of these people that I am looking for. You can see Sophie Nigeria is having 202k, 202.6k audience. You can see. So that means this Sophie Nigeria is one of the best when you are looking for people that are interested in clothing. Are you getting it? So it has been arranged like that. You can scroll down to see more. So if you are going to target for your art, so you have to write all of these things out so that when you are targeting, you know, okay, these are the set of people I'm targeting, these are the pages I'm targeting. I'm targeting people in this university, that is maybe around the state or locality that you want to target. So you have to take note of all of these things and make sure you are not targeting wrong, because running an ad is not just enough, but running ads to people who are interested and people who are going to buy from you is what matters. So when we check the location of people interested in clothing in Nigeria, you see their percentage. So we are seeing 0.0 something. I think we need to move to states instead of all these areas. So the Port Harcourt, we have like 3% of people there that are interested in clothing. In Abuja, we have 5%. In Imo, you can see their percentage. In Yenagoa, you have 0.7. In Lagos State, you can see the percentage, 16%. So I don't know why you will not target Lagos if you are selling wares and you want to sell to larger audience. So, and it actually depends. If you feel okay because of delivery times and all of those things, you can just limit your targeting to your state alone. Nothing bad in that. It is very, very good, and to help you tailor your targeting down to your main audience. So this is everything about your audience insights, where you can find them, how you can target them, and all of those things. So you can know, okay, if I'm targeting, this is the location I am targeting. You get. So you can also see the activity that these people do on Facebook. You can see. So they like the pages they like, the number of pages they like, the comment, like these people comment like 15 comment, post likes, post shared, promotion redeemed, ads clicked. Like you can see that people that are interested in clothing, they click on ads very well. You can see that you are seeing 16 of them. So the device they use, those that use desktop, is 0.5%. So you might not want to waste your ad placement on desktop. Those that use desktop and mobile is 7%. Those that use mobile only, you can see is 93%. So if you are targeting, then I feel you should go for mobile only. You understand? So that you can minimize your ad spends and know that you are targeting this set of people only. And the type of phone they use, those that use iPhone, iPod, those that use iPad, those that use Android, you can see that Android users are more than iPhone users in Nigeria. Like 0% are even using BlackBerry. So this is everything about audience insight. So, and I hope that when you are targeting next time, you first of all come to audience insights, get to know who these people are, how you can target them, and you can even write them out and use it for your next targeting, because we are still going to be treating audience targeting in this video. So just watch out for it.